In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create QR codes like this for your business using Canva. Some people use QR codes in their visit cards, as you can see in this example, or in flyers to ask for a review, for promotions, for sales, also for checking into an event. You see, there are many possibilities in which you can use a QR code for your business, events, school. So I'm going to show how you can create that in Canva for free. If you haven't met yet, I am Everlin. I am a graphic designer, a Canva creator and ambassador, and I'm super excited to show how you can do this. So let's go. The best way to start out is if you have something in mind, just go to your home page in Canva, and within the templates, you can type QR code menu. For example, if you're preparing a menu for your cafe or restaurant and you want to use a QR code in that, you can scroll through the different options that we have here in Canva. You see there are already plenty of stuff that you can use and adapt to your business. Let's use this one here for the purpose of this tutorial. So just click there and customize your template. As you know, in Canva, you can edit the whole design. You can change the background color. You can change the font, anything, okay? You can adapt it to better fit to your business, okay? But I'm not going to work on the additions today. I'm going direct to the point to show how you can create this QR code. Here you already have kind of a placeholder where you can put the QR code after you're done. Now you're going to apps, and here within apps, we're going to search for QR code. And the one I like to use is this one here, okay? So you just click there. Here you will need to type in your URL, that is the website you want to be linked to that QR code. So when people scan that QR code with their mobile phones, it's going to direct them to the website you want them to see. Sometimes the website is just a landing page in which you have your menu, or it is like your home page. You decide, okay, I'm going to choose here the homepage of my Canva profile. Okay, so you just have to copy the link. Okay, you copy the link and then you enter it right here. And now you can even customize. You can choose the color that you want to use as the background of the QR code. I like to leave it white, but then the foreground color can be the color of your brand. In this case here, you see this prominent blue. So I'm going to use the same blue now here. The bad thing is you cannot choose the color. You don't have like a color picker from here. So you do need to know the hex code. How do you find that? You just go and select anything like a font or an image that has the color you want to use. And then you click here and you're gonna copy this whole code. Now we are going back to the QR code you saw. I just clicked here on the screen, and then I am going to change the color now to blue. And I like to leave less margin. You can test it. You can work with more margin if you want. But the only thing is you can only see after you generate the code. Okay, so you go generate the code and there you are. If you want to make it different, let's say you want to have more margin, let's do a different example, and then you go and generate code. That's what it does, okay? I think it's okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this now here in the design, and that's it. Now you can have like a QR code in a flyer, a business card, whatever you need, linked to your URL. Okay. One question that people asked is this QR code forever? Is this going to be forever there? So yes, it does not expire on its own. It is a static code. So once Canva generates it with your link, this pattern that you see here is not going to change anymore, okay? As long as the URL still exists and works, the QR code will still going to scan successfully. So you don't need to worry that someday it's not going to work, okay? You just have to be sure that the link you use, the URL, works. I hope this video was useful for you. Let me know in the comments if you're going to use this in your business and for which purpose. If you're going to use that for your new business card, for a menu, I would like to know, to see what are you going to use that for. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.